Hi everyone, so welcome back to our another video. So today what we are going to discuss is about students are mostly using mobile phones for online classes. So is there any alternative for mobile phones? So that is what completely we are going to discuss today. So and before that there is an important point. So whatever the knowledge or the information you have, try to share with your friends and your relatives, so that will help them to know what what outside world is and what things are going on. So that's what I thought of expressing to you. So let's just jump into. As we know that if you wanted to buy a good mobile phone, at least some good mobile phone for us, it cost around 10,000 to 15,000. I'm talking which is some good mobiles. Also, if you wanted to go for computer or laptops, something like this, so at least it cost 30,000 to 40,000. Mostly many of them can't able to afford with that price. So for that, is there any alternative? Moreover, nowadays, the students over is an online class, not everyone, fewer, there are chances their concentration may go to like playing games in mobile and just spending time in social medias. So there are many things are happening. So to avoid that, we have some solution, like which unexpectedly I got something and I thought of exploring with you people. So first let me tell you what I just yesterday I met with my friend and yesterday. So yesterday just I was looking for a monitor. So I went to this particular shop, computer shop. I was talking to them and I got my monitor. So after that, when I just seen there, when I was just looking around the office, the computer shop, I have seen there is a small device. What I asked them what is that. So they said that this is a mini computer. And also they explained me that is the mini computer, like which is used for which is used as an computer. So this is coming as a complete setup for online classes, first especially for students. So I asked them to give me a demo, like how it works and what are the configurations. So they're given a complete demo, and that I have captured some images and videos. Just you can see it here. I'll just play it here. So in that, what are the things they are providing? In the sense, they have a complete package as a computer, so that cost around 8,500. So they are providing that as an package, so that will act as a computer. So in that package, what are the things will be there for 8,500? So one is a 20-inch monitor, and another one is a Core 2 Duo processor inside the CPU. So along with that, 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of ROM. So they are providing mouse and keyboard. So these will combine as a computer. So for online class purpose, they are providing logistic camera, which will be used for camera for a video streaming. So now our complete computer setup is ready. Now only the pending thing is internet. So internet, just if we spend 500 2000 rupees, we will get a modem. So from that we can get internet, and we can just utilize that for online classes. So just they are providing two things in that, the software part. So they are providing Android OS as well as Windows 10 OS. So whatever we ask, they will just customize it, or they will just change the OS and they will give for us. So which is really good. So I have seen the performance. The performance is so good, and there is no lagging in video streaming or in the performance. Just I tried using some Excel and a document and PPT and all. So that is perfectly all right for students. So moreover, this is not only for online class purpose. So this is also used as an like students can explore more on that. For example, office complete MS Office, Microsoft Office is there, so that they can explore on a Word document, Word document and PPT, Excel, and there are many things to explore. So in that way they will learn what is computer and what are the things can be done with that. So they will just get that knowledge within that. So that is obviously a good sign, like learning curve. If you want more information about that, just you can just check out the description. I have given complete details about it. Also, if you want to have call with our like brother, like he is the one who is going to take that. So I asked suggested him to take, he is going to take. If you want, you can just ask suggestion to him. Just I'm giving his number to you people. You can just see this number, you can reach out to him. And moreover, this is not for advertisement purpose, or this is not for promo purpose. So this is completely kind of just I'm trying to share the information whatever I have it. So unexpectedly I've seen this like setup or the computer. So if it reaches to some people, obviously this will help their relatives or their brothers, sisters, or over it may be, that will help, so that even you people can share this information to your neighbors. That will reach multiple people and they can afford that. So the conclusion of the video is just instead of going for 10,000 to 15,000 rupees mobile, and instead of going for 30,000 to 40,000 rupees of laptop, just we can go for a mini computer which is worth which we can get it around 8,500 to 9,000, obviously within our budget. So that will be used as an used for online classes as well as for learning, learning about the computers, so which will be under a budget. So in this way just we can avoid mobile phones, and instead of mobile phones, so we can just give this computer setup so that the student can focus on his studies. So instead of like obviously if mobile is there in their hand, it will go to, they will just play games and they will spend time with they will spend more time with social media. Thanks for watching guys. Subscribe to IT Kumar channel, and try to share this video, and what you think about this video, just feel free to comment it in comment section. Thank you. We'll meet in another video. Bye bye.